Hello aspirants, welcome back to India for IAS. In this video, we are diving into a topic that's both rare and impactful, that is Pompe disease. Recently, India's first Pompe disease patient passes away. From the examination point of view, let us study about what is Pompe disease, its causes, symptoms, and available treatment options. This can be studied under GS3 Science and Technology topic and General Science as a subtopic. Moving on to the overview of Pompe disease. Pompe disease is also known as glycogen storage type 2 disease. So its medical terminology is glycogen storage disease type 2 and it is a rare genetic disorder. It is caused by deficiency of enzyme acid alpha glucosidase. So deficiency of enzyme called as acid alpha glucosidase. This enzyme plays a crucial role in breaking down of the glycogen into glucose within the lysosome of cells. Without proper enzyme function, glycogen accumulates affecting the cellular functions. So if there is a deficiency of enzyme acid alpha glucosidase, so there is no breakdown of glycogen into glucose. So this leads to the accumulation of glycogen in the cell. So this affects the cellular functions. So this is normal cell and this is cell affected by Pompe disease. So in normal cell what happens? The enzyme acid alpha glucosidase, it breaks down the glycogen into glucose. So glucose is the source of energy for cellular activities. In case of Pompe disease cell, there is no breakdown of glycogen into glucose due to absence of enzyme GAA. So this leads to the accumulation of glycogen in the cells of the body. Moving on to the prevalence, diversity and variability of Pompe disease. It occurs 1 in 40,000 to 1 in 3 lakh births. So it occurs in diverse ethnicities and populations. It is not restricted to any geographic region or any ethnic or racial people. So its age of onset and severity can vary. Following are the key symptoms of the Pompe disease: muscle weakness, motor skill delay in children, degenerative impact on bones, respiratory complications, cardiac involvement, hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. So these symptoms make daily living of the patient complicated. Diagnosing of Pompe disease is a multifaceted approach. One is enzyme assay, another one is genetic testing. In enzyme assay, the activity of the enzyme acid alpha glucosidase is measured. The deficiency of this enzyme is responsible for Pompe disease. In genetic testing, the mutations responsible for GAA gene are identified. So this confirms the genetic basis of Pompe disease. Moving on to the curability and treatment options for the Pompe disease. There is no cure to the Pompe disease, but the symptoms of the Pompe disease can be managed to enhance the patient's quality of life. Enzyme replacement therapy is one of the primary treatment options for Pompe disease. So in this treatment, the missing enzyme acid alpha glucosidase is infused into the body of patient. So this alleviates the glycogen buildup. So this helps to address the enzyme deficiency and mitigate the impact of the disease. This is all about Pompe disease, its causes, symptoms and treatment options. We have provided one prelims practice question based on the topic that we have discussed. So aspirants are requested to comment their answers. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video.